important concept is geometric progression, GP. Same definition like arithmetic progression only. Geometric progression means arrangement of terms, or numbers, arrangement of terms in which, in that arrangement, each term except the first term is obtained by multiplying a fixed number to its preceding number. Simple. Preceding number. Now I will take one example. Suppose 4 to the 8, 16, 32, 64. This is one example. Arrangement of terms. These are the terms. Numbers. Terms with numbers. In which each term except the first term. Leave this term. How you got this 8? How you will get means obtained by multiplying a fixed number to its preceding number. 8's preceding number is 4 into one fixed number, that is 2. 4 2s are 8. This is my fixed number. Now every time that fixed number is equal. Suppose 16. How you got 16 means its previous number, preceding number is 8 into 2. 32. How you got 32 means its preceding number is 16. 16 into 2. 64. How you got 64 means its preceding number is 32. 32 into 2. Arrangement of terms in which each term except the first term is obtained by multiplying a fixed number to its preceding number is called a GP. Geometric progression. Okay. Next is what? Node. See here. Node. The fixed term, that fixed number which we are multiplying is called a common ratio. Denoted by ratios first time. Why is this said R? Common ratio by means here you see 8 by 4. 8 how you got means its previous number means 8 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s. R value. R you see here. R. Note what you see here. Important. Again same here. The terms of GP. The terms of GP are like in AP the terms are A1, A2, A3, so on, AN. After this also terms will be there. I am stopping there. Okay. Next, third one. Next, R is equal to R value. R is equal to what means here? A2 by A. How you are getting? I told you. 8 how you got? previous number 4 into 2, 4 to the 8. 16, how you got previous number is 8 into 2, means this is the fixed number. How you will get this 2 means this term by this term, means 8 by 4, 4 1 the 4. This 8 is nothing but A2 by this is nothing but A1. This is also equal to 16 by 8, A3, this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So 16 by 8, 8 1 the 8 2 sum, means A3 by 8. That is also equal to A4 by A3. That is also equal to A5 by A4. This is also equal to so on is equal to AN by AN minus 1. This is third. Next is fourth one. Very important. What is important means here, if the given terms are in GP, then what is the condition means, then A2 by A1 value will be equal to A3 by A2, this value will be equal to A4 by A3, so on this value will be equal to AN by AN minus 1. If he has given the condition the terms are in GP, then we should write this condition. Number 5, if A2 by A1 value is equal to A3 by A2, this is equal to A4 by A3, this is equal to so on is equal to AN by AN minus 1, means what common ratios are same, then we should say that then the given terms are in GP. This is very important. Next, very important, the parameters of geometric progression are what means A comma R. In geometric progression, what is there? R is there, A is there. So the parameters are A comma R, you should say. Next is 7th, very important. The value A value should be not equal to 0. Next is R value should be also not equal to 0. R value should not equal to 1 also. These three conditions are very important. Why? Because if A is equal to 0, starting only with 0. After this what? Suppose 2, 4, 6, 8 suppose. To get this 2, its previous number is what? 0 into one fixed number, we should get 2. You multiply 0 with any number, you will get 0 only, but not, means in the place of A, if you are taking 0, these terms you will not get. You will not get. Suppose, sir, 0 comma 2 comma 2, 2 the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. To get this 2, how you got this 2 means condition previous number 0 into fixed number. So 0 into fixed number what? 0 multiplied with what number? You get 2. Is there any chance? No chance. That's why compulsory the value of A, first term, this value should be not equal to 0. Very important condition. And he is telling that R value also not equal to 0. Why? Because R value suppose 0 means what you are telling, this 2. To get 2, suppose here 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16. This is what here 4. To get 4, what I told, previous number 2 into one fixed number 2. 2 to the 4 you will get. But suppose this fixed number is 2 into this fixed number is 0. 2 0, the 0 only you will get. If R is 0. Suppose 8. 8 how you will get means previous number 4 into some 2. But if I am telling 0, 4 0, the 0 only will get. Any number multiplied with 0 You are telling that every number should be multiplied with a fixed number. If fixed number is 0, answer will be zeros only, no? So r value should be not equal to 0 also. R is not equal to 1. Why? Because actually in higher classes what you will have means sum to infinity of geometric progression is equal to a by r minus 1 is the formula. Suppose in the place of r if I take 1, a by 1 minus 1 is equal to a by 1 minus 1, 0. In denominator 0 means a divided by 0. 0 table a. In denominator 0 should not be there, I told. Means that is the condition. A value I told you a should be not equal to 0, r should be not equal to 0 and r should be not equal to 1 also. Very important concepts. Terms of GP. Terms of geometric progressions. See here. What means here? A1 again is equal to a only. First term is a. A2 is equal to what I told? Its previous number a1 into fixed number. Means is equal to a1 into fixed number is r is equal to a1 means a into r means this is equal to a r. This is a2. Now a3 is equal to its previous number a2 into r fixed number. A2's answer is AR into R. AR into R, R square is A3. Next is A4. Its previous A3 into fixed number R. A3's answer is AR square into R. A R square plus 1, 2 plus 1. Bases are same, 2 plus 1 means A4 is equal to A into R cube. Like that A5, A4, its previous number A4 into R. A4's value is A into R into R. A into r to the power of 3 plus 1. A6 its previous A5 into r. A5 means A into r to the power of 4 into r. A into r to the power of 4 plus 1. Now you see. Generally speak, A1 is equal to A you wrote. Can I write this one? A into r to the power of 1 minus 1. Why? Because 1 minus 1, here you see, what I am writing, 1 minus 1, r to the power of 1 minus 1, 0. R to the power of 0 means 1. A into 1, A1 is a. Okay, next. A2 is equal to what we got? A into R. Can I write this one as A into R? I am writing like this, 2 minus 1. Why? Because the degree of this one is 1. From 2 you take out 1 term. Next is A3. A3 is equal to A into R square. Can I write this one? A into R. 2 can be written as 3 minus 1. Correct? A4 is equal to A into R cube. Can I write this one as A into R to the power of 3 can be written as 4 minus 1. A5 A into R to the power of 4. Am I right? This one a into r to the power of 5 minus 4 can be written 5 a 6 a into r to the power of 5. Can I write this one as a into r to the power of 6 minus 1? 6 minus 1, 5. Like that, an is equal to, see here, all a. Here also a. All are intos. All are a, r. If 1 is here, 1 minus 1. 2 is here, 2 minus 1. 3 is here, 3 minus 1. 4 is here, 4 minus 1. N is here. This is called nth term or general term of geometric progression. Nth term or general term of GP, geometric progression, is an is equal to a into r to the power of n. This is the formula. Here a means what? A is first term. Then I should write, I am removing this. Here an is equal to, what is the formula? A into r to the power of n minus 1. In this a, first term, r, common ratio, n is this number of terms. In exam, what you will ask? Write the nth term or general term of geometric progression and explain its terms. Means an is equal to this formula you should write, and in this a, r, n. A is first term, r is common ratio, n. R is equal to, what is the formula? You know that one. R is equal to a2 by a1. This much only.